What's going on? Welcome back. Man, I'm becoming a mechanic. A certified one, you know what I mean? But remember, don't try this at home. We're gonna leave that car and we're gonna go and change. I got the part in the mail. Order a transmission mount insert from 034. They make all kind of parts for Audis and I bet for other cars too. But it's supposed to make your transmission feel more stiff, not stiff, but you should feel less vibration and kicks and stuff like that. I don't know, I have no idea. I ordered it was $100 and now we're gonna go and change it. There is like, let me see. So it's right here. It's only on 2 screws. This is actually the original part. She's doing a laundry. Okay, so this is old part and this is the new one. It looks a lot better. So we'll see if I'm gonna feel any difference. Oh yeah.
Oh, it went right in?
It ran right in.
Oh, nice.
It's perfect. And it looks really good.
Compared to this one, dude.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's about it. We got a new piece installed. Easy job, like 5 minutes, 2 screws, and that's it. And it looks a lot better than original one, so I would recommend doing it even if you don't need to. Well, I'm driving right now and I don't know, I can't even tell. Maybe it's just a little bit, it's like a little bit smoother or something, but I don't see any difference. I mean, it's only $100. I guess, I don't know, but it looks good. So if you want to go under your car and replace that piece just to look good from under the car, and it's $100, you can do it. But technically, I don't feel any change. Maybe later on, while when I'm like driving a car a little bit longer, a little bit more, I'll feel the difference, but so far it's the same. I mean, I never had any problems except those small kicks when I'm taking off, but I still feel them right now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.